Hey guys, this is going to be my video on how you can take one of the PowerPoint presentations from the virtual program and turn it into a Nearpod lesson in minutes. So first I'm going to go to my answer key and scroll down to the subject that I want. And I'm going to work with math today. So I'm just going to find 5th grade math because that's my subject. And when you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see class time presentations. And these are all the PowerPoints provided to us by the program. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the lesson that I want, and it's going to open down here. I'm just going to click the little arrow, and I'm going to open it in a folder or show in folder, and it's going to open up like that. My lesson pops up at the top. So all I'm going to do is take that lesson that just popped up, and I'm going to drag it into my drive. So I'm going to go to my drive and drag that right in, and it's going to copy it. All right. It is loading. All right, now that it's loaded, I can see it right here in my drive. So all I'm going to do is open it up. So go to open with, and we're going to open it with Google Slides. All right, now it's starting to open in Google Slides, but this is still a PowerPoint presentation. So in order to get all the Google Slides features, I'm going to have to change it to a Google Slides presentation, which is very quick and easy. All I have to do is go over to File, and I'm going to save it as Google Slides, and it's automatically going to open up a new page, and it's going to be the same presentation, only this time it's going to be a Google Slides presentation. Alrighty. So the last step in getting my Nearpod features and starting to turn it into a Nearpod engaging interactive lesson is to go up here to add-ons. And if you've already added the Nearpod add-on, it'll be in there. If not, I would go ahead and do that first. Go to Open Nearpod, and it's going to open these settings on the right side of your screen. And these are all the Nearpod tools that you can add to your Google Slides presentation. So for example, I have a slide here that I want students to draw on to find different idioms. So I could use any of these different features that they have, which you'll find in my Google Slideshow Introduction to Nearpod. But I'm just going to show you how this works. I'm going to click Convert to draw it. And this slide will be turned into an interactive Nearpod slide. And here it is right here. All right, so you can go through and edit the presentation how you want. All you have to do at the end of the presentation is go down here to Save and go to Nearpod. Once you click that, it is going to open up your presentation in your Nearpod library. Almost there. And there it is. My presentation is done. So when you hover over it, you'll see some options. You can drag it into any of the folders that you create to organize your materials. If you click edit, this is actually going to bring you back to Google Slides so you can edit it. You just got to make sure to save it again. You can preview your lesson. You have some options up here if you want to add it to a folder within your school. This is where you're going to find the reports. And if you don't like it, you can delete it. The last two things are live participation and student paced. If you're doing a Google Meet and you want everybody on the same page, I would use live participation. If you're posting it to your website or sending it out to students to work on their own, I would click student paced. And that is all you have to do to change one of the pre-made PowerPoints into a Nearpod lesson. I hope this helps.